Hey, Scott Seaman here. All right, let's talk about a 6-step method or plan to get the mortgage paid off and gone. The true American dream, right? No mortgage payment. All right, let's dive right into it. Number one, make sure you've got an emergency fund. It could be any set amount of money that you feel is your rainy day fund. Put it into a high yield savings account, a CD, some sort of short-term bonds, something along those lines. It's very, very liquid, but it's a little bit difficult to get to, if you know what I mean. All right, number two, get rid of all high interest rate credit card debt. I'll tell you, that is the hamster wheel that will keep us going, that is almost impossible to jump off of until you decide no more. So get rid of those high interest rate credit card debts. Stop paying interest on interest for things that you bought years and years ago. That's a bad financial plan, so get rid of it. Number three, make sure you've got short and long-term savings goals and that you have them being funded automatically. So money that's going into a self-directed Schwab account or maybe to a financial planner. Make sure you've got money that's going into your 401k every month or every paycheck. Just make sure there is something that is being funded all the time because you're going to be here longer than you're going to be in a home. So make sure you're saving for down the road for sure. All right, number four, make sure your installment debts are well under control. Make sure you're not overpaying cars, boats, student loans. If you have those, get them paid off. The last thing you want to do is be buried with depreciating debts. So get rid of those installment loans as quickly as you possibly can and make sure they stay manageable. Number five, make sure you're properly insured. Do you have the right homeowners insurance, the right life insurance, the right disability insurance? Do you have an estate plan? Make sure those types of things are organized and ready to go. And once you get to number 6, we are ready to pay off the mortgage loan. So, we made it. When you're ready to pay off the mortgage loan, you can certainly just start throwing principal at it. That is obviously very easy. But if you want to make that automatic, you can always take your monthly payment, divide by 12, add that amount to your minimum monthly payment, and voila, you will shave approximately 8 years off your term. How about that? Easy way to get that thing gone a heck of a lot quicker. Anyway, hope these tools and this list is helpful. Please give me a call if you want to chat through it or if you want to brainstorm or if you have questions for me. I love talking about this kind of stuff. Everybody's situation is different and love to be a resource. Give me a buzz. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.